They later discovered they sustained serious injuries during the effort. This suggests your brain can completely suppress pain signals when survival demands it. The same system that normally protects you from harmful activities can be overridden to allow superhuman performance regardless of physical damage. Temperature regulation provides another example of hidden human potential. Cases exist of people surviving extreme cold or heat exposure that should have been fatal. Their bodies somehow accessed emergency thermal regulation systems that don't operate under normal circumstances. These survival abilities parallel hysterical strength in that they represent biological capabilities that remain dormant until life-threatening situations activate them. The evolutionary advantages of having these emergency override systems become clear when you consider our species' survival history. Early humans faced constant threats from predators, natural disasters, and competing groups. Those who possessed the ability to access superhuman strength, enhanced senses, or extraordinary pain tolerance when their lives or their children's lives were threatened had significant survival advantages. Over millions of years, natural selection favored individuals whose bodies contained these emergency capabilities. Your brain's ability to override normal limitations during genuine crises represents sophisticated biological engineering that took millions of years to develop. The same neural pathways that enable hysterical strength also coordinate the complex physiological changes needed for maximum performance. Your cardiovascular system, energy production, muscle activation, and pain management all get synchronized instantly when your brain detects mortal danger. This level of biological coordination suggests an incredibly advanced emergency response system. The implications for understanding human performance extend into areas like athletics, military training, and medicine. Elite athletes spend years trying to access even a small fraction of their theoretical strength potential. Yet ordinary people can instantly access nearly 100% of their muscle capacity during emergencies. This suggests that human performance limitations are primarily neurological rather than physical. Your muscles already possess the capability for extraordinary feats. Your brain simply won't let you use it. Military researchers have long been interested in finding ways to artificially trigger these emergency response systems. The ability to temporarily grant soldiers superhuman strength or enhanced sensory abilities would provide obvious tactical advantages. However, attempts to replicate hysterical strength through drugs, training, or technology have consistently failed. The psychological and emotional conditions that trigger these responses appear to be impossible to artificially create. Medical applications represent another frontier for understanding hidden human potential. People with certain neurological conditions sometimes display superhuman strength when their normal inhibitory systems become damaged. These cases provide insights into how the brain normally limits physical performance and what happens when those limitations disappear. Understanding these mechanisms could lead to treatments for paralysis, muscle weakness, or other conditions that prevent people from accessing their full physical potential. The impossibility of safely training yourself to access hysterical strength reveals important truths about these biological systems. Your brain doesn't restrict your strength output arbitrarily or inefficiently. These limitations exist because using your full strength potential causes significant physical damage. The same protective mechanisms that prevent you from accessing superhuman power also keep you healthy and functional throughout your lifetime. Attempts to train for hysterical strength typically involve intense physical conditioning, stress inoculation, or mental preparation techniques. While these methods can improve your baseline performance and help you function better under pressure, they cannot override the fundamental safety systems that prevent access to maximum strength. Your body's strength governor unlocks only under real emergency circumstances, not during controlled training scenarios. The sophisticated biological systems that enable hysterical strength represent some of the most complex engineering in the natural world. Your brain must instantly coordinate changes across multiple organ systems while maintaining enough cognitive function to direct your actions towards saving lives. The electrical signals, chemical cascades, and mechanical coordination required for these feats involve billions of cells working together with split-second timing. Neuroscientist E. Palzar suggests that what we perceive as human limits are not fixed, and the potential for extraordinary feats of strength exists. This perspective reframes human limitations as temporary boundaries rather than permanent restrictions. Your body appears to be designed with far greater capabilities than you normally access, held in reserve for the most desperate circumstances. The historical and cultural universality of hysterical strength stories supports the idea that these capabilities represent fundamental human potential. Accounts from the New Testament Shamanic practices and military battles throughout history all describe similar superhuman feats performed during extreme circumstances. This cross-cultural consistency suggests that every human possesses these emergency capabilities regardless of their background, training, or genetic makeup. Understanding hysterical strength as proof of hidden human potential changes how you might think about your own capabilities. When people perform impossible rescues during emergencies, they're not developing supernatural powers. They're revealing the extraordinary potential that exists within every human being. Science shows these emergency overrides evolved to protect lives, not as a superpower you can activate at will. The existence of hysterical strength proves that your body is far more remarkable and capable than you ever imagined. The same biological systems that enable ordinary people to lift cars during emergencies represent the incredible sophistication and hidden potential of human biology itself. If you found this insight eye-opening, hit subscribe for more Hidden Science Explained. What this means for you personally might be more profound than you realize. These documented cases of hysterical strength reveal something remarkable about human biology itself. Right now, at this very moment, you carry superhuman potential within your body. Every muscle fiber needed to lift a car already exists in your arms, legs, and back. The neural pathways required for impossible strength sit dormant in your nervous system. The chemical systems that can flood your bloodstream with energy wait silently in your organs. These aren't miracles or supernatural powers. They're sophisticated biological responses that your body developed over millions of years. Your brain protects you by keeping this extraordinary power locked away until genuine emergencies demand its use. These remarkable emergency systems operate every single day, silently protecting and empowering you in ways you never realized.